viewers, let's solve that. Let's solve the question together. Okay, we are given that the distance is equals to this. Okay, this x stands for what? Stands for distance, and we are asked to find the first one. We are asked to find the velocity. Okay, and asked to find the velocity, and then second one we are asked to find the acceleration, right? Acceleration. All of these we have to find them afterward after 3 seconds. Okay, solution. You know that this is if x is equals to 2t raised to 4 minus what minus 3t cube. We have to differentiate this. Okay, this aspect of motion is actually what we refer to as rectilinear motion. Why is it rectilinear? A rectilinear because it follows a particular word, a particular it follows a particular line, a straight line. So if I differentiate x with respect to t dx dt, this will give me this times this what is 8t raised by what raised by 3 minus this times is 9t raised by what raised to power 2. Okay, and remember this aspect of differentiation, and then this means this means what this means that ds over what dt, which is the same thing as our velocity, is equals to what is equals to 8 into what into 3 raised to power 3, then minus 9 down into what 3 raised to power raised to power 2. So v is equals to what is equals to this times this is 27 times this is what this should give us 216 minus what minus this times this is 9, that is 81. That is v is equals to what this minus this what is giving us 135 meters per second. So this is our velocity. Okay, now our acceleration a will be equals to what the v over the t. That will give us, you come back to this expression. Okay, this will give us 3 times this, that is 24 t raised to power squared minus 18t, right? So this is giving us our a to be equals to what this into what 3 squared minus 18 into what 3. Okay, this is 8. So a is equals to what this is 9 times this is what is t1 216 minus what 18 times 3, that is 54. Okay, let's move over to here. So this minus this will give us what will give us that our acceleration is equals to what 162 meters per second what squared. Okay, so that is the solution to that problem. Okay, viewers, let's attempt that question. We're given that our age is equals to 40t minus 2t squared, right? Now, if I differentiate this, I have the age to be equals to what? The t equals to 40 minus distance is 4t. Okay, remember that. Remember what we are doing here is a principle in differential calculus in mathematics. Okay, where we say that if y is equals to let's say x raised to power n, that dy over what dx is equals to this times this. That is, there's a silent one here, so n times 1 is 1, n x is for what n minus 1. You take away 1 from it, so If you take away 1 from these two, you left with 1. So that 1 times if you take 1 from these two, you left with 1. So t raised to power 1 is same thing as t. That's why we have 4t. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, they say that at maximum height, right? Now, at maximum height, this will be equal to 0. So we have that that 0 is equal to what? 40 minus 4t. Okay. That means that 40 is equal to what? 4t, and our t will give us 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay. All right. The second question there says that we should find what? That we should find the greatest height reached. Right. The greatest height reached is, it means you should come back to this, which says h is equals to 40t minus 2t squared. Okay. Now, anywhere you see t, put this seconds. So that will give me that h is equals to 40 times 10 minus 2 into 10 all squared. Okay. So h is equals to what? This is 400, right? Minus this is 100, that is 200. So h is equals to d minus this one is 200 meters. Okay. So the maximum the height that will be what? The height that will be the greatest height that will be reached is 200 meters. So with this, friends, we've been able to come to the end of today's tutorial on rectilinear motion. Okay. Make sure you pause the video and solve it again, and then source for more exercises and solve, so that you can master this aspect of motion. If you find this video interesting, please do like it and subscribe and share. Thanks a million.